Guys, Andrew here. Welcome to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to share folders within your Google Drive account. Before we jump in, guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So go ahead and go to Google, ensure that you sign into your account, then click the Google Apps icon on the upper right, then click on Drive, and that will take you into Google Drive, and this is the interface. Now by default, it is set to files, but in order to find folders, you can simply switch it to folders by clicking on the folders here. Now once you find those folders that you want to share, then you can simply go ahead and right click on that folder. So let's say I would like to share this folder here. I can right click on that folder, then click on share, and I can easily go ahead and copy the link. However, if you want to control what someone can do with this link, simply click on share to get this pop-up box. Now from here, you will see who has access to the links, and you will be able to also change what they can do. So if you want to share with someone specific, you can enter their email address here like I did, and as you can see, there's an email address shown here, and this person has editor's access, and I can also change this at any point in time by clicking the drop down and switch between view, commenter, or editor. Right, so you can always go ahead and add and remove access. As you can see here, you can remove the access. So you can add people, groups, and even calendar events there. Now let's say you want to give this link to basically anyone who will have the access to the link. You can simply click this access here, general access, and you can switch this to anyone with the link, and this will basically allow anyone with this link to have view access by default. You can always switch this to commenter or even to editor. Now once you're done, just simply click on copy link, and then you can easily go ahead and share this link, and anyone with this link will be able to basically become an editor. As I said, at any point in time, you can switch the visibility or the rights to our folders, and you can always go ahead and switch it back to restrict. And then once you're finished, just simply click on done, and that's it. You can go ahead and now share the link to whosoever you want, via email, via chat, whichever medium you want to share this link. This is how you go ahead and share folders from your Google Drive. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.